My name is Suraj Kumar. I am from Himachal Pradesh.
Hello everyone, my name is Manju Chauhan and I'm from Uttarakhand.
Hello guys, my name is Piyush Bisht and I'm from Uttarakhand.
Hello everyone, my name is Anurag Mishra.
Hello friends, my name is Ankit Kumar and I'm from Delhi.
Hi, my name is Sunita and I am from Hyderabad.
Hello everyone, I am Varsha from Uttarakhand.
I am Aishan Tiwal from Dehradun, Uttarakhand.
My name is Jagdamba Bhatt.
My name is Sudhakar Chekhore from Hyderabad.
मेरा नाम मुकेश है, मैं हरियाणा से बिलोंग करता हूँ। मैंने अपनी ग्रेजुएशन बीएससी एग्रीकल्चर से कंप्लीट की।
My name is Samiksha Robinson and I'm from Chhattisgarh.
Hi friends, my name is Vikram and I am from Haryana state.
My name is Sonam Pawar and I am from Uttarakhand.
Hi, I am Sudipta Gorai from West Bengal.
Hello everyone, my name is Ankit and I am from Himachal Pradesh.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Munyal and I am from Dehradun, Uttarakhand.
My name is Amit Tomar, I am from Uttar Pradesh.
Hello everyone, my name is Sai. I am from Hyderabad, Telangana state.
Hi, this is Abhishek from Dehradun and I have been following content posted on Agrience Academy.
Hello everyone, I am Pankaj Chaudhary from Uttar Pradesh. It's been a wonderful journey of 6 months in Agrience Academy, where teacher left no stone unturned to solve your queries. So if you want to enhance your knowledge and want to add more qualitative guidance, then for agriculture's competitive exam, you can choose Agrience Academy, Dehradun. Thank you.
CFO एग्जाम्स हैं, DDA एग्जाम्स, इसके लिए मैं एग्रीकल्चर एकेडमी के नोट्स फॉलो कर रहा हूँ। ये नोट्स मैं इसलिए फॉलो कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि इनमें लैंग्वेज बहुत सिंपल है, इसलिए मुझे अपने कंसेप्ट्स क्लियर करने में बहुत आसानी हो रही है। और इसमें आपको बेसिक लेवल से लेके हायर लेवल तक सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी।
It is one of the great coaching center for all forestry and agriculture students. The faculty members were so great and so interactive with the students. They provide a quality of study material in the form of PDF and hard copy as well.
The batches are kept small in number purposely so that there is a focus on each and every student. You'll get PDF material after each class and weekly test. Join Agrience Academy for short success.
And I joined Agrience Academy in June 2019 when FSSAI exam was very closer, and I was also going through my academics at that time, so it was a little bit diversion in focus for both the exams, but the PDF provided by Pradeep Yadav sir was very helpful and authentic, so I could very easily crack the exam for CBT1.
I must say that the videos helped me a lot in securing a good marks in that exam. Not only the videos but the detailed lectures PDF.
I gone through the YouTube videos. So many videos I have seen. But the Agrience Academy, they have uploaded very well in manner. Actually, they target the topics and they explain very clear in manner. I like the Academy's videos and the explanation how they do is. Actually, I personally asked them to start classroom coaching for the FSSAI exams. So, I prefer this Agrience Academy videos or whatever the teaching they do. I also suggest you to follow the Agrience Academy.
Being a forestry graduate, I faced problem stuff related to agriculture. So, under the guidance of Pradeep sir, this complex journey become easy for me through their proper notes, guidance, and PDF material, hard copy, soft copy, as well as beneficial test series.
They provide us best study material with point-to-point explanation. If you are planning for your competitive exam preparation, then I will suggest you Agrience Academy there.
Biggest thing is that when online and the offline classes was not possible, that time sir taught us through phone call.
Recently I qualified FSC Food Safety Officer preliminary examinations. I'm really thankful to this Agrience Academy because this academy provided good material for my preliminary examinations.
मेरे पास दो रीजन है कि एक तो हमें वहाँ ऑथेंटिक सोर्स प्रोवाइड किया जाता है और पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड, जो कि किसी भी एग्जाम को क्रैक करने के लिए मस्ट है। एग्रीकल्चर एक वास्ट फील्ड है और हमारे पास एक पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड सिलेबस या मटेरियल और उसको क्रैक करने के लिए एक ऑथेंटिक सोर्स से मिलना हमें बहुत ज़रूरी है, जो कि मैंने यहाँ ये देखा कि ये सबसे बेस्ट है इस चीज़ के लिए। तो जैसे F4 या नाबार्ड या अभी सेक्शन ऑफिसर हॉर्टिकल्चर की पोस्ट आई हुई है, उसके लिए आपको यहाँ सबसे बेस्ट मटेरियल मिलेगा।
Following Agrience Academy since last 3 months, and it has been really helpful for me for my DDA SO preparations. It was the first step towards my preparations.
Right strategy and proper guidance is needed to crack IBPS AFO, which I got from Agrience Academy Dehradun. Both pre and mains classes are very helpful of Agrience Academy Dehradun. Their PDF and hard copy notes are very authentic and reliable. So
I have learnt many tricks and shortcuts to solve math problems and reasoning etc., which saves a lot of time in competitive exams. Agriculture portion was covered fully with to-the-point information through our study materials, and teachers are very helpful. They helped me whenever I needed through our WhatsApp group and in our classes.
Recently, I have cleared my FSO exam conducted by RPSC and with a very good marks. The whole credit goes to the Agrience Academy, especially the Pradeep sir, whose way of teaching is very good, very concise and easy to understand.
It helped me a lot to clear my UGC NET exam.
Not only in studies, but yes, they motivate us a lot. They tell us about the practical situations during the exam, and yes, the teaching methods are also quite nice.
I was 2 weeks in agriculture before I joined the Agrience Academy. That the basics of agriculture subjects like agronomy, animal husbandry, soil science. I was 2 weeks in that subjects, and after that I joined Agrience Academy, and the Pradeep sir taught us very well agriculture. So basically that I am so confident now that I cleared mains, prelims, and reached till interview in my first attempt. In between I joined UP Police, so I have left my last year exam of AFO.
And the lectures given over there are very good, and I wish very good luck to all the candidates who are preparing for the competitive examinations, and I hope that the content that is coming on this channel be posted like this only in the coming future also. Wish you all the best.
I would like to thank him and all the best.
And I'm very much thankful to be a part of such an esteemed institution.
एक बार इसके लेक्चर, डेमो लेक्चर जो YouTube पे अवेलेबल हैं या PDF नोट्स का मिल जाएंगे आपको वहाँ, वो जरूर देखें एक बार। अगर आप कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड में, आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाला है।
Their notes are very concise, very compact, and that gives you what is needed and what is needed to clear your exam, not beating about the bush. Thank you.
I have took my BHU coaching from Agrience Academy Dehradun. The teachers are very much interactive. They also give both the hard copy and soft copy for preparation. Along with BHU, they also give coaching for AFO, ICR and all other state agriculture exams, government exams. If you want to join any coaching in Dehradun, I will highly recommend you to join in Agrience Academy Dehradun. Thank you. Have a nice day.
In the PDF form, I feel it's a bit costly, but they are really helpful. You can really take help from them. Thank you.
I am really thankful to you and grateful to you, this academy.
I am Dimple Anand from Yamunanagar, Haryana. Today I would like to share my experience regarding Agrience Academy Dehradun. I have been there for nearly 6 months and it's been such an amazing experience. I would recommend everyone to join Agrience Academy because the tutors are so supportive and help throughout everything. They always make you work to the best of your abilities. That's why I was able to grab first rank in the entrance exam of Shivaji University, Kolhapur, Maharashtra, which was my dream college. At last, I would like to say, join Agrience Academy to step forwards towards your dream. Thank you.
और वो चीज़ एग्रीएंस एकेडमी के नोट्स में बहुत अच्छे से सर ने बताई हुई है। थैंक यू।
I prefer them. Thank you.
I must say you join Agrience Academy Dehradun. Thank you.
FSSA 2019. I have qualified prelims. I am going to write mains. Thank you, Agrience Academy Dehradun.
Hello everyone. My name is Tanuja Chand and I am from Uttarakhand.
I had been a student of Agrience Academy, Dehradun. I had joined the classes for the AFO, Agriculture Field Officer. The teachers there for the mains as well as for the prelims, they made the classes very interactive and productive. They cleared each and every doubt of ours. They provided us with the PDFs as well as the hard copy notes of the subjects that had been taught in the classes, so that we can revise from those notes on daily basis and improve ourselves day by day. Apart from the notes and the classes, the system of the weekly tests helped us to analyze ourselves and to judge the weaker and the stronger subjects, so that we can make more and more command on the weaker ones. And lastly, I would like to say that Agrience Academy Dehradun has proved to be very beneficial and fruitful for a beginner like me. Thank you.
At last, I would like to thank all faculty members who helped me throughout my preparation. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am your host Pradeep Yadav from Agrience Academy Dehradun. First of all, I would like to thank to all the students and viewers of Agrience Academy who have took some time and made this feedback video. Really, it's a very great experience for all of us, so I am very thankful to all your efforts and your feedback. All your support and all your feedback makes me more confident to work hard in the future and do much better in more upcoming videos. So I'm also thankful to all those students who are not able to send their videos, but they send me their feedback on my number as a text messages. So thanks a lot guys, thank you very much. Now let's talk about some exams which we are going to cover in our upcoming videos. Firstly, the mains exam of FSSAI, which was going to be held in the month of August. Now its date has been changed and it's going to be held in the first week of September. The link of official notification is given in the description box below, you can check out from there. The study material for this exam is provided to all those students who are the aspirants of this mains exam. Clear? For DDSO exam, we are going to start our preparation from the next month, that is from August onwards. Videos will be posted and of course PDF material will also be provided. After the preparation of DDSO exam, we will start our preparation for IBPS AFO exam, and in that portion we will first cover all the current affairs during the previous month, and also of course we will cover the current schemes and current updates of the agriculture for this related exam. So guys, this is all about our upcoming videos. Thank you once again, thanks a lot and have a nice day.